I had videos about how to color pretty anime eyes with color pencils and markers, but this time I want to color eyes like a pro with watercolor. Okay, let's get started. In first eye, I just color randomly. Okay, if you don't want to come up with this coloring, stay with me until the end. First, I just fill a layer and let it dry.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, how did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
I always blend edges in watercolor drawings. If you wanted to draw it quickly, you can draw it with a heater. Also, this way we can make some parts clearer.
In the bathtub, we don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute.
As much as the edges are blended, it feels more like a watercolor artwork. Then I get some help from color pencils to make some parts bolder. White pen is something that you always have to use, especially when it comes to eyes. And I use a correction pen when I want it to be whiter.
Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling love, even though I own us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Just stay a minute.
That's it. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to see Pikachu in 4 different artist styles, you can check this video. Actually, YouTube ignored this video. Just support it. Thank you and bye.
Stay a minute.